So check out the Rode NTG2 microphone. The review's coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Rode NTG2. This is a dual power directional condenser microphone. I did purchase this item myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. I bought this mic to upgrade my studio audio quality, so hopefully in future videos I'll be using this microphone and they'll sound even better than what you're hearing in this video. Now, if you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. So please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to in a really nice and simple retail box. This has a 10-year warranty, a high pass filter or HPF of 80 hertz. So anything below that will be filtered out. And then we have dual power. We can use a AA battery or phantom power. Now we can talk about a couple more specs really quick before we open it up. The max SPL or sound pressure level is 131 decibels. It weighs around 160, 161 grams, which is like 5 ounces, maybe 6 ounces. And it's made out of rugged metal construction, and it has an XLR connector. Now we can look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have a nice instruction manual right here, complete with warranty information on the back. We have a lot of technical details in this instruction guide for you. Here's the nice Rode zip bag as well for easy travel and portability for this kit. We have an I Love Rode microphone sticker. We have a nice included adapter if we're going to mount this with a microphone cable, so we can use that to keep everything steady and in place. Here's a nice mic mount for us too, so we can see it from all angles right there. Here is a nice Rode windscreen as well for this microphone. And last but not least, the microphone itself looks really nice, guys. Really cool. We can see the XLR connection right there. And then we can actually twist this off as well to reveal the battery. So if we wanted to use one AA battery, we could install it right there. For this video, we're going to be using phantom power. And then now, guys, after looking at the microphone from all the sides, we can go ahead, we can put the windscreen on it too. So that looks really cool, really nice. I like how everything looks. Now let's go ahead, let's try it out. So we got this Rode microphone plugged into this USB audio interface that I've also reviewed on my channel. This does support phantom power, so that's how we're powering the mic right now. So we can go ahead, we can talk in the microphone right here so you can get a sample for the audio quality. And then through the audio interface, we're gonna adjust the gain. So we're bringing it down. So just for fun, we're gonna have it all the way at 0, and I'm talking right into the microphone so you guys can hear that. We're going to bring it up to about 50% right there. So we're at around 50% or so for that gain, so you can get a feel for the quality of this mic. We can bring the gain up even further, but we're going to start clipping due to the audio interface right there. So we'll make sure to talk quieter, but we'll bring it back down to a good level right there so you guys can get a feel for the quality of this mic. Love the windscreen on it as well. We can take the windscreen off too and continue to talk into the microphone right here just to see how it picks up all the sound. And again, we're using phantom power right here through that audio interface. So overall, guys, I really like this microphone a lot. I'm excited to get it set up here in my studio to improve the audio quality of my videos. If you're interested in that product, I'll link it in the video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. I'll be sure to link this Amazon Basics XLR cable as well if you're in the market for that, and this USB audio interface. Hit that like button, guys. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you guys to miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give us a follow online, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website. Join our free newsletter, guys. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server as well. Thank you for being here, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.